New from Repêchage. Introducing the Hydra Dew Pure Collection, our most advanced and comprehensive collection for dry, compromised skin. A complete daily skin program formulated to help improve skin compromised by environmental aggressors and harsh treatments that accelerate the aging process. The Hydra Dew Pure Collection includes 7 cutting-edge products formulated with the most bio-advanced natural ingredients. These include our Repêchage exclusive, sustainably harvested seaweed extract, soothing mastic oil from the Aegean island of Chios, and the powerful antioxidant-rich camellia japonica seed oil. This pure and gentle collection is clinically proven to strengthen, restore, and renew dry, compromised skin with pure and natural ingredients that envelop the skin in essential comfort and reduce visible signs of aging. The Hydra Dew Pure Facial Moisturizer and Eye Contour Cream include advanced peptides and hyaluronic acid known to hold 1,000 times its weight in water. In clinical studies, the Hydra Dew Pure Eye Contour Cream demonstrated a 44% reduction in lines and wrinkles in just 2 weeks, and the Hydra Dew Pure Facial Moisturizer showed a 45% increase in skin smoothness in 28 days. For intense moisturization, the Hydra Dew Pure Night Cream is formulated with camellia japonica seed oil, a powerful antioxidant used for centuries in Japan to help strengthen the appearance of the skin barrier and prevent moisture loss. In clinical studies, the night cream showed a 58% increase in moisturization with daily use in just 4 weeks. The Hydra Dew Pure Gentle Foaming Cleanser, a dermatologist-tested wash made with water lily flower and oat bran extracts. These softening botanicals help gently cleanse and remove makeup. The Hydra Dew Pure Facial Essence Mist is an instant burst of hydration, a hybrid serum based on mastic water to soothe the skin, replenish, and provide a radiant glow. Especially formulated for the needs of severely dry, compromised skin, the Hydra Dew Pure Oil and Hydra Dew Pure Elixir Balm harness the nourishing power of organic cannabis sativa seed oil and mastic oil with essential fatty acids to create an immediate sensation of comfort and lock in moisture. With regular use of the Hydra Dew Pure Collection, skin will appear smoother with a renewed youthful glow and vibrancy. The Hydra Dew Pure Collection for dry, compromised skin has won the praise of top oncology estheticians. These unique bio-advanced natural formulations are free of parabens, fragrance, mineral oil, petrochemicals, and formaldehyde releasers. Dermatologists tested no potential for dermal irritation or allergic contact sensitization. Your path to pure skin comfort is here. The new Repêchage Hydra Dew Pure Collection for dry, compromised skin.